No,
gotta
look
get
at
that
the
up.
control panels. Look at that. Finder one said this is August 1983.
Yeah.
August 16th to be exact.
Yeah, I wrote that. I wrote that thing. I haven't seen that in a long time. Yeah. I did the window chrome stuff. I remember. I remember that little animation. These panels.
Puzzle. Your favorite?
Yeah. That was probably before it got rewritten in assembly. That's it. And this is probably before the real control panel.
Oh, what's trap list? Finder 17.
Don and I wrote the calculator.
This is pretty funny.
Yeah, this isn't the final clock. That was just a placeholder.
So any of this bringing back any memories?
Yeah, sure. Well, it's different than my memory, which is kind of good. That I remember. I wrote that. People look at it. It's not currently implemented. Yeah. It's got a Steve icon. Yeah. Interim. See, I don't remember we had a menu named interim.
Well, here, I'll show you a little trick I discovered. Command 1
Yeah, I see. Yeah. They're cool to see it. A lot of placeholder text.
Testing copy and paste, probably.
Oh, here's something interesting. Yeah, see, this does have a window manager optimization that was put in there fairly late. But I guess, that this was probably right about the time the ROM went off to manufacturing in August. Special Olympics. That's good.